Hi guys, today I want to show you how I was able to identify two key levels on the Nasdaq using this volume price indicator, and this allowed me to take 4 trades, 1 small loss and then 3 really big wins. If you want to use this indicator yourself, stick around until the end of the video and I'll show you how you can get access to it on TradingView. Okay, so to explain to you how I took this trade, I put TradingView in replay mode and we're looking at the 1 minute chart of the Nasdaq futures. So this is the open of the day, so let's see what happens. We can see a lot of resistance on the first candle and then the market goes down. And then not much is happening until about 15 minutes in, and then we actually see this big spike right here on the indicator. And so what this means is that for this amount of volume, we were actually expecting a much larger move in this price candle. So this might mean that the market will reverse and go actually upwards. So what I did here is I took a long position at the close of this candle. And for my stop loss, because we're at the low of the day, I took about 60 ticks. And then for my profit level, I took about 200 ticks, which was the low of the first candle of the opening. So let's see what happens now. We go up a little bit, but then actually we immediately go further down and we get stopped out right here. So this is a loss of 15 points. So now I'm waiting to see if another resistance candle will show up. And as you can see, at about 9:37, we see a big resistance candle showing up right here. So here I'll take another long position. So at the close of this candle, and again for the stop loss, I take 60 ticks. Now for the profit, I actually want the low of this candle because this was a key level. So let's mark this level. And then also let's mark this level. So for the profit of my trade, I want to hit the low of this candle. So let's see what happens now. Okay, so the market actually goes up. But then right here, we see a lot of resistance on this candle. And this to me is a signal to exit my trade. And because we're seeing so much resistance right here, it's actually also a good opportunity to go short. So at the close of this candle, I go short. I put my stop loss at the low of this key level right here. And for the profit target, I'll take the top of this level. Okay, so let's see what happens next. And as you can see, we hit our profit target right here. So because we're at this key level now, the market might actually reverse again and go back upwards. But for this to happen, I would like to see a candle with a lot of resistance forming at this key level. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so right here, we're seeing some resistance, and this is happening in this candle, so at this key level. If this trend now can go a little bit higher, then that might be confirmation that we will go long again. Okay, so as you can see, the market is holding this level. So this has now become a support level. We had some resistance right here, and we actually bounced off of it, and we went up again. So this is another good opportunity to go long. So right here. And as the stop loss, we would put the low of this level. And as our profit target, we take again the low of this key level. So let's see what happens next. So as you can see, we hit our profit target right here. So to summarize how you can use my indicator, as you can see right here, when you have a spike on the indicator, it means that there is a lot of resistance against the price movement. So here we're in a downtrend, we see resistance, so we take a long. We actually get stopped out here, but now we know that there is a big key level right here. We continue to go down, we see again some resistance right here. We go long, we put this key level as the profit target, but because we're seeing a lot of resistance right here, we know that we need to exit the trade, and then we can actually reverse our trades and go short here, with again this key level now as the profit target. And when we hit that, and we see that this key level is now actually working as a support, we can go long again with again this key level as a profit target. So I have published this indicator on TradingView but it's with invite only. So if you want to get access to it, please use the link in the description below so you can give me your TradingView username and then I can give you access to it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me and you're also using Apex Trader funding, you can find my discount code below, which will automatically give you the current discount code. Thanks for watching.